No, good morning, teacher and classmates. My name is Carlos, and this is my partner Sebastian. Today we are going to talk about our best summer vacation. Last summer we went to Cancun, but it was our worst vacation. We lost our luggage because the airline sent it to another city. We visited the beach and played volleyball with but did not enjoy the activities. The hotel was more expensive than we expected, and the service was the worst. We feel sad, frustrated, and tired because many plans were cancelled. This year, everything is going to be different. We are going to travel to Cusco next summer. We are going to travel by plane because it's faster and more comfortable than traveling by bus. Cusco is more beautiful and quicker than our last destination. We are staying in comfortable hotel near the Plaza de Armas. We are going to visit Machu Picchu, Sacas, Shai, Huaman, and the local markets. We are also going to make many pictures and buy souvenirs. Dale.
Well, now I will tell you more about our vacation plans. We're going to go hiking, ride bicycles, and play soccer in the afternoon. We are going to try traditional food because we love Peruvian cuisine. We are also going to meet friendly people and learn about their culture. We are talking comfortable clothes, jackets, sweaters, hiking shorts, sunglasses, hats, sunscreen, and backpacks because the weather can change during the day. This vacation is going to be much better than our last vacation as we organized. We are happier and more excited new. We are not going to make the same mistakes again, and we are going to enjoy every activity together. I'm sure this is going to be our best summer vacation. We're going to have a wonderful time. The weather is going to be sunny, and we're going to create many unforgettable memories. Thank you very much for your attention.